Our parents' kitchen needs help.
Our cut cabinet is so embarrassing.
We have way too many different options. I just want things to be uniform. What is this? No one in our house actually uses these mugs. These can just be thrown out.
Our crate and barrel order just came in.
Since our family doesn't happen to own glassware, I ordered matching sets. These are for dinner, these are for breakfast.
We don't always want to use glasses. Sometimes we want to drink out of plastic cups.
Let's go to the store and see what we can find. I didn't show you the worst part. On our island, we have this hidden cabinet. These are not cutting it. They're not cute enough to be in our house, so we're getting rid of them.
Walmart's first.
I believe I found the perfect cups online. I just found them in the store and they're actually on sale. They are these striped cups, which I think are so cute and so classy for summer. They also come in this blue color and orange, but this looks more pinkish to me. There are two different sizes of each color. One of these. This is what we decided on, even in the smaller ones.
We just got home with all the cups.
I'm gonna empty out our whole cabinet from top to bottom. What are these cups? What are we gonna use this for?
I'm wiping all these down.
These are all of the cups that just came out of that cabinet, but I'm gonna start emptying out this one. All the kids keep their cups in here. It gets so overcrowded. I wanna take these and put them in that cabinet up there. Should we put them on the first shelf or like up? We also have coffee cups too. I would like to be able to put our tumblers in this cabinet, so Mally's moving up one of the shelves so that they'll actually fit. Yeah, like that far. I just found this little sippy cup from when my brother was like a baby. That's crazy. The hidden cabinet that we have in the island needs to desperately be cleaned out. I don't know what we're gonna put in here. We can't do tumblers because these shelves are not adjustable and we had to lay the tumblers down to begin with. They were falling out when we would open the door. I just don't want to have to deal with that. But I'm thinking putting coffee cups in here. Still thinking, I don't know. These are like all the cups my mom uses for coffee in the morning. These are from my brother and sister when they would make a painting at school. School would print it out on something. Looks so good already. Now that this bottom shelf is empty, let's put all the crate and barrel stuff there and see if it all fits. Do y'all store y'all's cups upside down or right side up? I think that looks good, but I'm gonna do it this way. We have 12 that are this big size. These take up a lot of space as is, and we only have this much room left. With these breakfast cups being so much smaller, I think maybe we can fit them all right here. This is nothing on the countertop. I think it's just like in the grain, so don't worry. Some moving around here to make more room. Our cabinet has never looked this good. I'm gonna put all of our old glassware in this crate and barrel box and take it to Goodwill so it's not going to waste. All of these jars. I'm pretty sure these were originally supposed to be like sundae glasses, which would be very cute for an ice cream shop. I don't think they're meant for drinking, but maybe I'm wrong. How cute would this be as a kid sundae? I wish I could use these cups right now, but truthfully I cannot because they have not been washed. Since we got the placement down and where we're gonna put them, let's take them all out and put them in the dishwasher. I think the kids will have a way better way of organizing everything now because the kids have to do the dishwasher as well. We each have our own day throughout the week that we have to clean the kitchen and keep the house up. Today is Miley's day. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up for her while she takes the trash out. I'm hoping we can get all this done in one load. Watch me wash these and all the stripes come off. Completely filled the whole top rack. It's the next day and I have an update. Since all the dishes have been cleaned, look at the cabinet. This is an update on the cabinet. We even moved some of these shelves down right above the cup so that we could reach the tumblers a lot easier. Also adding the ones we don't use as much at the very top. On the island cabinet, since we have all of the coffee cups up here, Miley also put her glass coffee cups here, and on the bottom we have holiday cups, so that's how we organized that one. In total, I only have 2 more drawers and 1 more cabinet to do in the kitchen, and it will be completely done.